Welcome to Chrysler Breakers. If you're a proud Jeep Renegade owner, you know how important it is to keep your ride in top-notch condition. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: how to find the right Jeep Renegade spare parts. Whether it's routine maintenance or a repair, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Finding the right Jeep Renegade parts can be tricky. With so many options online, how do you ensure you're getting quality and value for money? Don't worry, we've got the answers. First things first, figure out which part you need. Is it a brake pad, a headlight, or maybe a new bumper? Knowing your specific requirements will save you time and effort. When it comes to quality and reliability, nothing beats Chrysler Breakers. We specialize in Jeep Renegade spare parts, ensuring you get genuine parts at affordable prices. Double-check the parts compatibility with your Jeep Renegade model. Our website makes it easy with detailed descriptions and part numbers. Once you've found the perfect match, placing your order is a breeze. With delivery across the UK, your Jeep Renegade will be back on the road in no time. Ready to find the right parts for your Jeep Renegade? Visit Chrysler Breakers today at chryslerbreakers.co.uk, your trusted source for Jeep spare parts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips and tricks.